Hi all of you. I hope all of you are well. Welcome back to my channel, that is Sunshine Tarot Card Reading. I do intuitive tarot card readings for this channel, as you all know, and I do a 6-card reading. And whatever intuitive thoughts I have seeing the cards, I reveal to you. Hope this reading is useful for all of you. But do be mindful of the fact that this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with you. If you want a personal reading with me, the email ID is shared with my tarot channel account. So it's sunshinetarotcardreading@gmail.com. You can send me a mail, or even you can comment over here, and then I'll get back to you. So today I'll be doing a reading for Sagittarians, Sun, Moon and Venus rising, starting from today, that is the 24th of December, and ending to the 31st of December. So again, it's a general reading. It might or might not resonate with everyone. Do take which part resonates with you and leave the rest. Cross watchers, you can take from this reading, or anybody watching for somebody whom you know who belong to the Sun sign, Moon and Venus rising Sagittarian, you can also take from this reading. So let me begin the reading, and I send you a lot of good vibes and best wishes. Christmas is around the corner, and so a Merry Christmas to all of you in advance. Hope you have a wonderful time during Christmas, and do a lot of merriment and have a good time altogether during this period. The end of the year, hope it brings a lot of joy and happiness in your life. That's what I wish for all of you. So Sagittarians, starting from the 24th of December to the 31st of December. So let me do the reading. Let me see the cards. So Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the Sun sign of Sagittarius from the 24th to the 31st of December. Let me place the cards. Right, so I've got the cards, and wow, at the bottom of the deck you've got the 10 of Cups. Wonderful wish fulfillment, and everything that you've thought about that you want to attain will be attained in December. So wonderful news. Congratulations to all the Sagittarians. You've been waiting for this for a long time. Finally it's here. I see a happy family with children having a good time. If there had been like hurdles in your marital life or in your relationship sector, then all these obstacles and hurdles will be removed, and you will have a wonderful time. The bonding in the family will become much stronger, and if there has been a rift with your children as well, that also will be resolved. So wonderful, Sagittarians. 10 of Cups is actually that kind of card that, you know, all of us aim for. That a happy family, a fulfilling life, a peaceful life. That's what is there at the back of the deck. So it's about to come in your life. That's what I meant. Now, first card. You're carrying a lot of burdens on your head. Maybe in terms of work or in terms of family responsibilities. So that is making you very stressed and worried, as well as you feel very tired. So you need to relax and unwind yourself a bit. And you know, it's the last part of the year, so I think you should aim to give yourself a little bit of time, some quality time for yourself. So don't carry so much of a burden on yourself. You'll be able to solve all the issues that you're facing, but give yourself a little bit of time, right? Now Hierophant. So I see some marriage is about to occur in your life. You might get married, or a marriage proposal is about to come. So that I guess you have been waiting for some time. Relationship issues have been bothering you. So this together with the back of the deck, we saw the 10 of Cups. I see a happy marriage and a happy family, which is what I find from this reading. So these two cards actually correlate with each other very nicely. So again, congratulations. A good happy marriage is coming your way. Justice card. Justice will be solved for you. If you've been waiting for some verdict, maybe in the legal aspect, any court case going on, or anything that's been bothering you in your workplace or any other business place, if I may put it in that way, in some area of business, the justice will be served for you. So it's a very positive card. Lot of communication is coming for you. So you'll be very busy, Sagittarians, at this part of the year, and it will be positive for you. So lots of emails, lots of messages, lots of phone calls. So I see a lot of communication back and forth for you. You were previously thinking about a lot of things at the same time, which is finally resolved. You were maybe manifesting that, okay, I'll earn money from this source as well as this source. So a lot of things were in your mind. So that has been finally resolved and you're back on track, and thus I think this justice will be served for you and you will get what you actually wanted. Finally, I see the 3 of Cups. So celebration time, and it's very much apt at this point of the year. So Christmas and the time of the New Year celebrations. So you'll be meeting up with your family, friends, and those whom you have not interacted with for a longer time span, and you're going to have that good time with them. You're going to celebrate with them. Even I see some good news that you want to celebrate, maybe related with your marriage, that you're sharing with your friends. So that's what I think. So as because you have been overburdened, and even now also you are overburdened, so you have been only focusing on your work, your career, as well as all your responsibilities. Now you've got this time, I think, to little bit unwind yourself. And over here, if there has been a relationship that you were in, you have finally taken the decision of getting married to that person. So that's why I think you want to share it with your friends and family members, and that's a celebration time because everyone is going to embrace that decision of yours. They were actually waiting for you to take the call for this marriage. And finally, I told you that the 10 of Cups. So you're going to have a wonderful family, a very positive family atmosphere with children, with your spouse, and you'll be happy and content from within. So it's a wise decision that you have taken. And related with the justice, I think that I told you, the legal matters, if any court case is going on, there the verdict will be in your favor. Even if there had been obstacles and you had been overburdened, but the verdict will be served in your favor. As well as also, if there has been any thing that had been bothering you in your workplace, where you were trying your best to resolve the problem but you couldn't, a rift with your seniors, difficult decision that you were not being able to take, you are actually going to take it and you're going to solve it in a very wise manner. So in that aspect also, justice will be served for you. So I see overall very positive and wonderful cards. And just be mindful that don't overstress yourself. Be, just be calm and stress free. And then things will fall into place. You have been doing a lot of work for quite some time, and now just relax a bit because everything is coming positive for you. That's what I see from the cards. I hope this is helpful for all of you who belong to the Sun, Moon and Venus rising of Sagittarius. And do post comments whether this was helpful for you or not, and suggest me some other kind of readings that you really want me to do. I'll be really happy to do the readings for you. And for a personal reading, do send me an email at sunshinetarotcardreading@gmail.com, and I'll be really very happy to help you and guide you and with my intuitive tarot card readings. And again, this is a general reading. It is actually aimed for all the Sagittarians. Do take which part actually resonates with you and leave the rest. So wishing all of you a wonderful time ahead. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Stay blessed, stay happy, and be positive in your life. And do like, share and subscribe my channel if you like what I do. I aim to be a motivating factor in your life to guide you through the phases which are about to come in your life. And I want to send you all the positive things coming your way in the manner of reading, as well as I will be stressing of what kind of things that are bothering you. So overall, I think you'll be able to gain from my reading. So do like and subscribe my channel and share it with others so that even they also get the benefit from this. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time ahead. Catch you in some time.